Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the crankshaft pulley on Volkswagen Sharan 1.9 TDI. The procedure is similar for other Volkswagen Seats, Audis and Skodas with the same 1.9 TDI engine. We can see that the serpentine belt and the timing belt are located on the side of the engine on this car. In order to get access to the crankshaft pulley, first I'm going to remove the front right wheel and then I'm going to remove the engine under tray. Next I'm going to remove the serpentine belt. In order to remove the serpentine belt, I'm going to turn the tensioner clockwise, and then I'm going to put a pin in there so that it keeps the tensioner locked. This is a size 16 wrench that I'm going to use, and that's the pin that I'm going to put in. We'll put it in there in that hole, and when we bring the tensioner clockwise, we're going to push in the pin all the way and it will hold the tensioner locked in place, and now the belt is loose and we can remove it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And that's the belt out. Next I'm going to remove the crankshaft pulley. The crankshaft pulley is held by 4 bolts, but first I'm going to put a bracket, metal bracket on the crankshaft pulley so that I'll keep it from turning while I try to remove the 4 bolts. This is the bracket that I'm using, you can see it right there. Here's an overview of the bracket that I'm using and how I put it on the pulley. And now I'm going to remove the 4 bolts holding the crankshaft pulley and remove the crankshaft pulley itself. And that's the pulley out. Now I can replace the pulley with a new one and assemble everything in the reverse order. Next I'll show you a diagram of how the belt routing is, how the belt goes around the pulleys. That's what it looks like. So now we're going to put on the belt. I'm using a pry bar to put the belt in the tight spaces around the crankshaft pulley. And that's the belt in everywhere. You can see here, I'm showing you. And next we're going to let go of the tensioner. We're going to turn it clockwise, the tensioner, with the wrench size 16 to remove the pin, and then it will go back and tighten the belt. And that's it, we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.